Hi! We hope you're enjoying our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe by hitting the little red button below the video. Today, we're going to be reading Cant Sleep Without Sheep. This looks like it's going to be a really fun story. You should probably be snuggling up in bed right now, ready to count some sheep. Ava had a hard time falling asleep. Her mind was always so busy. Try counting sheep, suggested her mother. So she did. 1 sheep jumping over the fence, 2 sheep jumping over the fence, 3 sheep jumping over the fence. But her mind was full of ideas and questions, thoughts of today, and plans for tomorrow. Night after night, the sheep had to jump the fence many times. "Can we please stop?" asked the sheep. "We're exhausted." "No, I need you to keep jumping," said Ava. "In that case," said the sheep, "we quit." "You can't quit," said Ava. "How will I get to sleep?" "Don't worry, we'll find a replacement," they promised. Horses seemed like the best choice, but they were so beautiful that Ava made the fence higher and wider to see how well they can jump. "Horses are too much fun," said the sheep. "We need somebody less pretty. Send in the chickens." The chickens tried to get over the fence. They wanted to get over the fence. Ava laughed and laughed, but she did not go to sleep. "We need somebody less ridiculous," said the sheep. "Pigs?" The pigs were not in a hurry. "1 pig over the fence," said Ava, and she had to wait while the others stopped to snack. "Pigs are too slow," decided the sheep. The cows were a complete disaster. This was harder than the sheep thought, but they were just getting started. The penguins looked at the fence, then looked at themselves. "We need a plan," they said. "Next," said the sheep. The hippos waddled forward. "This could take a while," said one sheep. The animals grew impatient. "Is it our turn?" asked the herd of buffalo. "No, we're next," shouted the flamingos, the armadillos, and the beavers. "We'll see about that," roared the buffalo. The stampede began as the buffalo charged the fence. Dust rose in clouds. Splinters flew everywhere. It was chaos. "Stop!" cried Ava. "I'll never get to sleep like this." "Wow," said the sheep. "Who knew we'd be so hard to replace?" "I knew," Ava replied. "You always show up for work. You line up nicely and jump calmly. You're fluffy and peaceful and perfect." "Well," said one sheep, "it's nice to be appreciated." "Please, will you stay?" begged Ava. "I need you to help me fall asleep." "Don't worry," said the sheep. "You can count on us." So, she did. The end. That story was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't Sleep Without Sheep. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the little red button below the video. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you next time.